Alright, so last time I actually forgot to say that one of the things I like about these Ultra 4D is the way I've customized them. To me, this looks more like the Adidas logo, which is very nice. And there's more PrimeKnit that's exposed. They look more clean in my opinion. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in the world that does this type of custom, and you saw it here first. Also, Adidas, do me a favor and cut me a check because I made this model better. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. I have about 8 hats here, really nice pieces, strap backs, Velcro straps. I have paid about 22 euros per hat on average, which is really low. That's about $25, and you'll see some really sick pieces here. And I'm going to start with this black strap back. Big 3D embroidery on the front. This brand is United Colors of Benetton, and if that name is familiar, that Benetton is an old Formula One team with which Michael Schumacher won a few titles. I usually avoid getting black hats because they get dirty very easy. And moving right along, this is Herschel Supply Company. I'm not really a big fan of hats that don't have reinforcements on the forehead. So moving right along, really nice tie-dye colorway. Yo, this is really sick. Very nice, the North Face strap back. Let's continue with another tie-dye situation. So I wanted a purple hat for a very long time. Purple, black. I'm going to keep the hologram here for the first time. Ever since I was a kid, I was kind of obsessed with the New York Yankees. I think I really like the logo. I think that's what's going on. Moving right along with this. Velcro strap. This has that type of Velcro which you can find in Y3 or designer brands. It is very nice to see a Nike product with just one swoosh. Navy and white, simple. Yo, I really like this hat. It's really comfortable on the head. We continue with this Adidas Trucker snapback. Nice materials, really well made, no loose threads on this at all. A very nice strap here with the 3 stripes, probably my new favorite hat. Let's continue, 2 hats to go. Okay, yeah, this hat is really nice. I like it a lot. Nice embroidery on the front here. Very thick and nice hat. Not a lot to say about this. I really wanted another red hat and a Champion product. And the final hat. This is a Karl Lagerfeld. Classic logo on the front, nothing on the back. As I said before, I really don't like buying black hats because they get dirty very easy, and you can see the dirt immediately. But this was on a very nice discount. Again, 22 euros per hat, so 22 euros for this is extremely low if you know the prices. That's pretty much it. This is similar to my other Carl hat, and that is kind of the end of the video. So let me know which one of these is your favorite. To me, yeah, it's all of them. I like all of them compared to the last time. All of them are really nicely made. I'm planning to take a bit of a short break to take care of my mental health, and I'm not even joking. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.